Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Right there, work. Yeah. Yep. All right, Mr. Woods. I'd like to introduce everybody to my son-in-law, Mr. Christopher Woods, and this is his family heirloom that he just got.
The 1976 Cadillac Mirage is one of 204 ever built. 74 or 75 and 76 were the only 2 years of a real Mirage.
And they were actually took a DeVille to a factory in California, cut these, and added all this on the backside. And this came out of a barn after how many years?
Parked in 86 or 87, so
38 years. 38 years. And last thing, you just looked, the inspection sticker was from when?
1986.
86. All right. And all right, there's two. How many of these made?
204.
Okay, now if any of you guys out there, and I need an explanation, we've tried to figure out besides the button that's in the trunk button that's in the glove box, how to pop this, because this is the actual trunk where the spare and everything is, and I guarantee it's never been on the ground. It still probably has the canister. We just pulled this down to be able to wash it out, but it's basically been sitting in the barn. How thick would you say the dust was on this when you got? It was pretty dirty.
Wow.
This is vinyl. This is vinyl all the way down, and stainless, all the trim, vinyl, no bubbles, no rust. It just needs a bath. But I mean, come on. And these things, these are tie downs that pop open. Look, and it's got lights on both sides of that. And now, like I said, it's been in the barn for 40 years. But look at this. And like the pieces in the back around, you know, that all them Cadillacs do, all them plastic pieces, they're in the box to replace. And there's the dash has not got a crack on it. Okay, I just wanted to guys kind of give you a feel of this. I mean, it's like brand new, guys. It's like brand new. All the trim, all the stainless. It's like brand new. And you want to see something cool? It's an 8-track. It's an 8-track. And this is from the factory Cadillac music. From the 8-track. Stereo sound spectacular. Hit sounds of the great bands. Contemporary sounds. Sound salute south of the border. You want to, you know, it's got all the paperwork from everything that's ever been done on this car is in this glove box. I mean, hello. Right here. It's got the clock. It's the gas gauge. Everything is in here. Is it complete? There's been nothing. There's no cracks. See the dash? You see a crack? This, and look at this rearview mirror. Look at that rearview mirror. How clean that is. With this car, you just don't come across something like this. Look here. It's even got, look here. It's even got the gold Cadillac emblems around the knobs. It's got the Cadillac emblem along the cigarette lighter. That looks like it's never been used. They always say that you can judge the car, how many miles is on it, by the pedals. Tell me, even the kick panels. Tell me that that doesn't look brand new. She just needs a bath. I am here. We're in the sunlight. Look at this. No water damage. Okay. This is a great thing about this. Look. Cigarette lighter. Ashtray. In the door. Back when they used to put ashtrays in the doors. Is this not the coolest thing ever? The bushings. The bushings are still good in the doors. These doors still shut like brand new. Listen to this. The rubber is still good in it. The tires are terrible because, you know, they're originals. Like I said, 28,000 miles. Pop that hood, Chris. And all this chrome and stainless is a bath, and then that's it. There is a right here. There's right here. Oh, up we go, and it'll hold itself. That is what you think it is. 500 cubic inches. This is before the day of liters, and everything is there. The air box is there. All the air conditioner system. It's got cruise control. It's got intermittent wipers. It's got a big honking battery that's completely dead. You know, and there has not been a hose, a piece, anything changed on this car. It's original from 1976.
Purchased brand new at Parker Cadillac of Little Rock for $23,000 in 1976.
The owner's manual has the business card from the company that did the retro. The president of the country that did the retro on this out of California. They shipped them all out from different places out to California, and they retroed 204 of them. And I mean, even the hubcaps, the original white letters, I mean, there is not a blemish on this car. The skirts are in the back seat. Everybody's going to ask about the skirts. The skirts are here. They're in the back seat or behind the seat. Like I said, there's no piece of trim. The vinyl is pristine. This just needs a bath. It basically got drove till 28,000 miles, and then your grandfather?
My great-grandfather, he gave it to my uncle, and then after that it stayed parked since 86.
Yeah, and I got to tell you guys, I am kind of jazzed at this one. We're going to probably, first thing we'll do is buy a battery, because we tried to put a jump starter on that battery just to see what was working and what wasn't working. And it wouldn't even, it's so old, it wouldn't even take a charge. It was bought in March of 2002. I mean, 1982. That's how old it is. But I'm telling you, all this thing needs is a bath and a little bit of TLC, some fresh gas in the carb and a battery, and I think she's going to go. I really do. So if you're still here and you want to see what we do with this between the three of us, I'm scared to pull them hubs and
it's a side terminal too.
And it's a side terminal, yeah. It's not a top loader. Fancy schmancy for 1976.
Oh, what?
Right.
Okay, I'm cool. Okay, I'm in on this.
Yeah.
It's got turn signal.
Yeah, it's got the turn signal.
Yeah, it's got the turn signal indicators, old school from the 70s on the fenders in the front. You know, I mean, all this brownness is just where they took it to the car wash to give it he didn't even use the pressure on. He was afraid to hit it really hard to get it really clean. He just wanted to knock the majority of the dust off. So, I mean, just look at the carpet. Just look at the carpet in the back and the seats. There's not a rip, and they're electric, you know, and just the color and the seals and everything. This was in a steel building out of the sun for the last 40 years. So tilt, cruise, everything. We haven't turned it over, so what we're going to do is we're going to get it up a little bit in the air. We're going to get underneath there and see if it turns on the crank with the ratchet. So if you're still here, like, share, and subscribe. Smash that button, hit that bell, tell your friends. It doesn't even have a smell. It's not brand new, but it doesn't have a smell. There's no mold. Everything is good in it. Y'all have a good day.